Welcome to the ConnectON tutorial series. The aim of this tutorial is to provide an overview on how to navigate the toolbox in ConnectON. The toolbox is where the majority of the tools used to interact with and understand the data are housed. This tutorial is split between two videos. In part 1, we will talk about the tools available in the toolbox, such as how to query the ConnectON data by NAICS code, geographical radius or area, and asset name. Part 2 will explore the remaining tools in the toolbox. The toolbox is located in the side menu. To access the toolbox, simply click the side menu icon in the top left-hand corner of the screen. The toolbox is the first tab in the side menu. Within the Toolbox tab, there are 5 sections. Users have access to the Data Query and Data Upload sections, which we will be focusing on in this 2-part tutorial. Let's start with data querying, also referred to as filtering the data. Once the user has selected a sector and area in the toolbar, users can apply the data query tools to filter the results based on NAICS codes, geographical radius or area, and asset name. These tools can also be used when data is viewed regionally. For this tutorial, we will be using Simcoe County to demonstrate the features available in the toolbox. Simcoe County includes 3 separated areas: the city of Barrie, the city of Orillia, as well as Base Borden. This is important to note as separated city data is not populated because they are individual entities with their own data sharing agreements. To query the data by a NAICS code, enter a NAICS code in the text box and select Run to populate the results on the map. If users need a reference on which NAICS codes correspond to which industries or sectors, they can go to the Help tab and click NAICS List to bring up a new window with a formatted list of NAICS codes and their description organized by sector. Multiple NAICS codes can also be queried. Enter the NAICS codes separating the codes by a comma. Let's take a moment to look at these results and understand why querying by NAICS is useful, as these codes exemplify a value chain for fruit in Simcoe County. The first code representing the primary production where the fruit is grown, the second code representing the processing of the fruit, and the third code where the fruit is accessed. Users can also filter NAICS at the 2, 3, 4, and 5-digit level, as well as the full 6-digit code. For example, let's say we wanted to know how many food and beverage manufacturers there are in Simcoe County. To capture food manufacturers, we will enter code 311 for food manufacturing, and to capture beverage manufacturers, we will enter code 3121 for beverage manufacturing and select Run. On the map, we can see the results for food and beverage manufacturers within Simcoe that are in ConnectON. The last example we will take a look at is querying data in a regional view. Let's say we wanted to look at all the poultry and egg production farms in Western Ontario. To do this, we'll select Western Ontario for the area and enter code 1123 for poultry and egg production and select Run. Let's look at another way users can query data by geographical radius or area. Users can query data by drawing a box or a circle on an area of interest. For example, let's say we wanted to look at businesses that are in and around Coldwater. To query the data using a box, select Box, then select the area of interest on the map, and drag the mouse to create a box. If the box isn't the exact area you would like, use the width and height specifications to adjust the kilometer area, and hit Enter. Select the Run button to only show assets within the specified shape. Similarly, another way to query data regionally is by drawing a circle. To draw a circle, Select Circle, then select the area of interest on the map and drag the mouse to create a circle. If the circle isn't the exact area you would like, enter a new kilometer radius and hit Enter. Select the Run button to only show assets within the specified shape. In this example, you'll notice that the area extends beyond the municipal boundary of Simcoe County. When querying geographically, the system will only display the assets in the municipality that is selected in the Area drop-down menu. These query tools can also be used in conjunction with each other. For example, let's say we would like to know how many maple syrup producers are within a 30-kilometer radius of Elmville. First, we will enter NAICS code 111994 for maple syrup and products production, and select Run. Our second step will be to draw a circle around Elmville and then adjust the area to 30 kilometers and hit Enter. Finally, let's look at a third and final way to query data, by asset name. Users can query by asset name using the Business Asset Name field. Type in the asset name of interest and select the Run button to populate the results on the map. An important thing to note when querying by asset name is the asset name that is queried must match the asset name that is in the system. Additionally, special characters cannot be queried. This concludes the ways in which users can query data in ConnectON. This brings us to the end of part 1 of our tutorial on how to navigate the toolbox in ConnectON. Thank you for watching! Be sure to check out part 2 of how to navigate the toolbox, where we chat about more tools such as the asset count and how users can download and upload data. If you haven't already, watch our other tutorials that explore helpful ConnectON features. Please reach out to us at info@connecton.ca if you have any questions or suggestions on other tutorials you would like to see. Thank you!